Hello and welcome to the weeks 11 and 12 preparation for your final website project, Prezi. So this week we need to talk about images for your website, image requirements. Either use your own photos and give yourself credit, or use Google copyright free images and give them proper credit, or use Creative Commons website copyright free images and give them proper credit. Google free to use images. You'll see a picture of a screenshot of Google. First step is to click on Images. Second step is to click on Tools. Third is to click on Labeled for reuse. So number one, go to CC website and enter search word. Select a platform, for example, Flickr. Here you'll see a screenshot of the Flickr homepage. Number three is click on copyright restrictions. Number four is check usage license. So ideal image reference. Title by author is licensed under license. Include links where applicable. An example, the image is Birthday Celebration San Francisco by TVOL is licensed under CC by 2.0. If using your own images, content for your website, you must write your own content. Content must be original, well written, and formatted for websites. Read about your topic. Take notes in your own words. If you're taking notes on what is considered general information, there is no need to give credit to the source, but you must give credit to your source. If you want to include specific research or ideas unique to an author, you must provide a hyperlink within your content and provide a properly formatted reference at the bottom of your page. See assignment instructions of next slide for example of how to properly format your references. Referencing credible sources gives your website some credibility, especially if you provide hyperlinks and references. So how to cite from Google Scholar. Click on the quotation marks as you see there at the bottom. Click on APA. Use a signal phrase when introducing someone else's work. Stuart Preston, a researcher from the Institute of Science, has found that. Then insert either quote with the author's direct words in quotation marks, or paraphrase with the author's idea in your own words. You must include a reference when either quoting or paraphrasing. Landing page requirements. This is for your actual assignment. Number one is an actionable item such as sign up, purchase, go to this page, come to our store, etc. Number two, a menu link to your other pages. Number three, brief contact info or social media links. They can be fake for this assignment. Number four, strong images and design that convey the site's purpose. And then for your four content pages, the requirements are one, a sequence of images that tell a story, at least 3 to 5 images. 2, an abstract image and content to go with it. 3, a bio, background story, or contact info page. And 4, a page with info and a photo, no specification. Number 1, a sequence of images that tell a story. 3 to 5 images, could be a tutorial of how to do something, or could be an explanation of a process or an idea. Add written content to go with your images. Text must fully explain ideas or processes without being too text-heavy or feel like it's missing information. An example of sequential image page. Children will learn best when they are outside. 3 images. Image showing Grandpa by Maddie, licensed under CC 2.0. Children learn best in a natural, real-life outdoors environment. The outdoors helps fuel creativity. Allowing children to explore the outdoors will fuel their confidence and desire to learn. Children should spend less time in the classroom and more time learning in the outdoors. Learning while outside will enable children to fully engage in real-life experiences and allow them to better connect with their environment and their roots as human beings. Continued on the next slide. It is important to provide children with an environment that is conducive to learning and experimentation. In her book, The Unschooling Handbook, Mary Griffith explains that for a city-dwelling family, unschooling could mean that their house is full of books and toys, and their backyard has some outdoor projects on the go. For farm-dwelling families, this could mean that children are involved in the day-to-day operations on the farm, including calculating how much feed to give the animals and what angles to use for building the garden bed. By moving the learning center outside of the classroom, children are able to explore and learn without having to restrain their enthusiasm and energy. Peter Gray, PhD, who is interested in researching the benefits of unschooling, published an article in Psychology Today revealing that children with ADHD who are taken out of the classroom often stop taking their medication because they don't need it anymore. There you see the references. There you see the hyperlinks. Signal phrases introduce and give credit to the author. And list of references at the end of the web page. Number 2, conceptual or abstract image page. One image, abstract or conceptual plus content to go with it. Could represent company brand or philosophy, or it could represent anything you want. Some history, an idea you want to share. Add written content to go with the image, and text must fully explain idea or process without being too heavy or feel like it's missing information. An example of concept or abstract image example. 6 steps to raising well-balanced children. Image, Babyfoot by Matty Aud, licensed under CC 2.0. Number 1 is teach them that failures are learning opportunities. 10, send them out. 2 is send them outside to play, explore, and build independence. 3 is promote self-acceptance and set an example. 4 is provide ample opportunities for self-generated play. 5 is give them real responsibilities. And 6, allow children to take the lead on simple projects. Final website due at the beginning of week 14. Begin working on your website. Email me if you have any questions or want feedback. And remember that your final discussion post for the semester is due by the end of week 12. Thank you very much.